This is going to be the #1 trading setup to use while trading stock options. Let's get into the video. So here we are on TradingView, and we're going to be going over my best trading setup that I've found for SPY. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure you guys like the video, subscribe, and watch all the way through. But either way, before I get into everything, I do want to mention, guys, that we do have a stock options Discord where you're going to be able to see this put into action in real time. All you have to do is click this Discord link. You're going to be able to join right here. Almost 17,000 member Discord, closing in. And then also, if you want to get our buy and sell alerts, where we do this all live, you're going to be able to get this monthly membership or yearly subscription, and it's about $79 per month. And you'll be able to see us trade live in there and trade along with us. But with all that out of the way, let's get right into the #1 trading setup. And this is going to be using just 2 indicators. We don't like to overcomplicate things, especially when we're trading SPY. So what it's going to be is the EMA, 20, 50, 100, and 200, and then the RSI. And how we're going to be able to do this is every morning, with SPY, you're going to see a lot of volatility. You can see a massive drop off from 548 all the way by the end of the day, 541. But if you just look at the first hour or so, it goes from 548 to 544, and that's a massive drop off that you're going to be able to play off of. But this isn't going to be a day that we would really be trading SPY. There's no indicator here to let us know, hey, we can use the setup. The better setup is going to be on a day like Thursday. And this is going to be perfect because one of the things that needs to happen is the RSI needs to dip below 30. So if the RSI dip below 30 the day before, 2 days before, and then you see the RSI start trending up, we're looking good for this trading setup. Now, what we're going to want to see is either a sell-off or a big buy in the morning. So either up a good amount or down a good amount. We're going to wait about an hour to an hour and a half until we start to see 3 green candlesticks. And we want to be entering our EMA lines. So this means that we have entered the red, the orange, or the other way, entered the blue and the teal. So actually, it would always be the red and the orange, I'm sorry. But either way, this is going to be, as long as you enter the first 2, you're good. And once we enter that first 2, we have had 3 green candlesticks in a row, and we are trending up on our RSI. It's going to indicate a buy signal to us. Now we're going to be trading 0 DTE or the next day expiration options on this. So the time from 541 all the way up to 546, you're going to be able to make 200 to 300% in gains on this trading setup. So that's going to be all 3 things you need. You're going to need the EMA lines, the RSI. You're going to need the RSI to dip below 30. And then you are going to need a sell-off or a big buy in the morning. And then once you see 3 green candlesticks, if it's a sell-off or if there's a lot of buying, then see 3 red candlesticks. And then you are going to take that trade if it has entered the 3 EMA lines. You're going to sell about an hour to hour and a half later, or whenever you see signs of reversal in the RSI, or if you have dipped below the 3rd EMA line right here, or the other way, vice versa. So you're going to be able to take this type of trade maybe 2 to 3 times per week, and you're able to make a significant amount of money on it. But that's going to be the #1 trading setup for SPY. If you guys are like that, then make sure you guys like the video, subscribe, and then also join our Discord with the link in the description. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.